Hello children, in the previous video we have started reading lesson 4, that is be gentle. Now we are going to continue with that lesson. Take out page number 22 of your model science books. Let's start reading this story, that is the power of gentleness. There was once a misunderstanding between the sun and the wind. The wind said, "I am the most powerful of all the natural forces. I can uproot trees, I can sweep away houses." Now what happened once? That there was a misunderstanding. Means there was a misunderstanding between whom? Between the sun and the wind. Between the sun and the wind, there was a misunderstanding. Both of them was not able to understand each other. The wind said, what did the wind said to the sun? The wind told the sun that I am the most powerful of all the natural forces. Like children, you can see there are so many natural forces, the wind, the sun, the moon, the stars. All these are natural things which are made by God. So now the wind told the sun that I am the most powerful of all the natural forces. Among all the natural forces, I am the most powerful one. I can uproot trees, that if I will blow, the wind told the sun that if I will start blowing very fast, I can even uproot the trees. Uproot the trees means the trees can be uprooted, means they can be broken from within the roots also. And I can sweep away houses. Even the houses can also be swept away by the wind. The sun did not respond to it. He was all the time smiling. It made the wind angry. Can we have a competition to prove our strength? Asked the wind. The sun agreed. Now when the wind was trying to tell the sun that I am the most powerful of all the natural forces, the sun did not say anything at this. He kept quiet and he was smiling whatever the wind was telling the sun. The sun did not give any answer. Did not respond to it means did not give any answer to the wind. The sun was only smiling whatever the wind was saying. And this made the wind angry. Why it made the wind angry? Because the sun did not respond to the wind. The sun did not give any answer to the wind. Yes, you are the most powerful of all the natural forces, or you are not the most powerful of all the natural forces. The sun did not give any answer. So at this the wind became very angry that why the sun is not giving me any answer. Then the wind told the sun, let's have a competition. Let's compete with each other. Who is the strongest one? Let's compete with each other to prove our strength, that who is the strongest one, the sun or the wind. And at this the sun told the wind, okay, let's compete with each other. The sun agreed. The sun agreed means the sun told the wind, okay, we will compete with each other. We will have a competition to prove that who is stronger, the sun or the wind. There came an old man wearing his overcoat in the cold. The wind said, okay, here is the competition. The one who is able to make this old man remove his overcoat is the most powerful of us. What do you say? The sun accepted the competition. Then at the same time what happened? The sun and the wind saw an old man who was wearing an overcoat. Like you can see here in this picture, this is an old man who is wearing an overcoat. He's wearing an overcoat. And then when this wind saw the old man, the wind told the sun that, okay, let's start with the competition. The one who will be able to remove the overcoat of this old man will be the winner of this competition. Okay. The one who will be able to remove the overcoat of this old man will be the winner of this competition, and it will be proved. The one who will be able to remove the overcoat, that will be the winner, whether it is the sun or the wind. Then the sun told, okay, I agree to it. I am ready to participate in this competition. Next is, the wind was the first to try. It started to blow. Now who started the competition first? The wind started the competition. The wind tried to remove the overcoat of the old man first. The wind was the first one to try to remove the overcoat of the old man. It started to blow, means the wind started blowing. The old man clutched his overcoat a bit tighter, means he holded his coat very tight. Like you can see in this picture, the old man is holding his overcoat very tightly. As the wind was blowing very fast, the old man clutched his overcoat. He means he tied his holded his overcoat very tightly. The wind blew harder. Now the wind started blowing again more harder. The old man clutched still harder. Now this old man again holded his overcoat more tightly. The angry wind blew harder and harder with a howling sound. Now children, when the wind blows, it makes a sound. When the wind is blowing very fast, it makes a sound, and that sound is called the howling sound. Means some kind of sound is coming when the wind is blowing. Zoom, like this kind of sound comes when the wind blows. So when this wind was blowing harder and harder, it was making a howling sound also. The old man grumbled to himself, "What a nasty wind," and clutched his overcoat even tighter. Now at this, the old man started grumbling. He started complaining to himself, why this wind is blowing so fast. And this old man holded his overcoat more tighter than before. Children, I will explain you the remaining part of the lesson in the next video. Thank you.